Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, take a look at these marketing videos. They were all created using Wizstar, delivering professional quality results with AI in just minutes. Now, let me show you how Wizstar makes that possible. Whether you're an e-commerce seller, a content creator, or a marketer, Wizstar provides a complete AI-powered workflow for producing high-quality content in much less time. Now, let's jump into the demo. After signing in, you're greeted with a clean dashboard that organizes every creation tool in one place. Let's start with one of the most useful tools, Video Generator, which supports both image-to-video and text-to-video creation. One thing I really like is the flexibility. Wizstar gives you access to advanced AI models like Seedance 2.0 and Kling O3, and new users can even test them using the free credits included with their account. Depending on the style of video you want to create, for this example, I'll upload my reference image, enter a detailed prompt describing the scene, choose my preferred AI model, set the aspect ratio, video duration, language, and resolution, then click Generate. Within a short time, Wizstar generates a polished AI video with smooth motion, impressive visual quality, and professional-looking results. Let's take a look at the final output. Notice how the character maintains a consistent appearance throughout every scene, while the product stays accurate and visually consistent from start to finish. This level of character and product consistency helps create more realistic, trustworthy, and professional marketing videos. Next, let's explore the lip sync feature. Here, I can upload either a portrait image or an existing video.
This 16-pan palette from NYX is giving pro-level quality. Created by makeup pros in LA, and it's vegan and cruelty-free. One swipe and you get true to pan.
Then simply enter my script or upload an audio file.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for choosing Wizstar.
Olá e bem-vindo. Obrigado por escolher a Wizstar. Hallo und willkommen. Danke, dass du Wizstar gewählt hast.
With a single click, Wizstar creates a realistic AI talking avatar with highly accurate lip synchronization.
Create a realistic talking avatar from the uploaded image, natural lip sync, subtle head movements, eye blinking, and facial expressions. Maintain the original appearance, office background, and professional look. High realism, smooth motion, 4K quality, static camera.
The mouth movements match the speech naturally, while facial expressions remain smooth and believable throughout the video. Even when the face is viewed from different angles or partially covered, the lip sync stays remarkably accurate. Since the generated avatar can also be reused, it becomes a very efficient solution for producing multiple videos. Now, let's move on to video translation. This feature makes it incredibly easy to localize videos for international audiences. Wizstar now supports 75 global languages, making it easy to reach audiences around the world.
Stick talking avatar from the uploaded image, natural lip sync, subtle head movements, eye blinking.
Instead of sounding like a machine translation, the AI produces natural native-level speech while preserving the original meaning. The translated video remains naturally synchronized, keeping lip movements and facial expressions realistic throughout the entire video.
أنشئ رمزاً شخصياً متحدثاً واقعياً من الصورة المحملة. تزامن جب طبيعي، حركات رأس خفيفة، ومغمضات عينين، ومزاجات وجه. أحافظ على المظهر الأصلي، خلفية المكتب، والمظهر المحترف. واقعية عالية، حركة سلسة، جودة 4K.
Next, let's look at the product-to-video workflow. Creating a marketing video is surprisingly simple. All I need to do is upload a single product image and provide a short prompt describing the type of advertisement I want. After clicking Generate, Wizstar intelligently analyzes the product image by identifying the main subject, important visual details, and the surrounding scene. This helps the AI create videos that stay much closer to the original product while reducing unexpected results. Another advantage is that the platform automatically enhances the marketing presentation. Based on the product itself, Wizstar generates scenes that feel more natural, more engaging, and better suited for promotional campaigns without requiring complicated editing. If you're looking for an affordable AI platform that can generate videos, create talking avatars, translate content, and produce marketing commercials with minimal effort, Wizstar is definitely worth trying. You'll find the link in the video description. New users receive free credits to explore the platform, and if you decide to upgrade, subscriptions start at just $18, making it a very affordable option for AI content creation. You'll find the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.